To serve for Team Amulong. Morales to serve. Loaded service and a service ace right away for Morales, jersey number 1. 1-0 is the score. Another good serve from Morales, but a chance ball for Team Amulong. Over ball for Team Claveria. Middle. Dug up. Canapi setting. Padilla giving the free ball. Open. Blocked. Still playable. And a chance ball again for Team Claveria. Middle is blocked by Padilla. 2-0 is the score. Still serving Morales, jersey number 1 of Team Amulong. Service error. First point of Team Claveria. Salvador to serve for Team Claveria. Good serve. Canapi receiving. Canapi attacking. A drop ball. And a net fault on the side of Team Amulong. All 2 is the score. Still serving Salvador of Team Claveria. Another good serve. Canapi. Dug there by Salvador. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Padilla. Attack error. Claveria up by 1. Salvador still on deck to serve. Salvador for Claveria. Canapi. Attacking, cross court. Good up. Padilla. Padilla with a point. All 3 is the score. Still playable. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Open. And sails out for jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. Amulong takes back the lead for serving 3. Good serve. Setter chasing. Sails out and a point for Team Amulong. 5 serving 3. And a service error there on the side of Team Amulong. Agarpao to serve for Team Claveria. Blocked. A joust won by jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. All 5 is the score. Still serving Agarpao of Team Claveria. Canapi. Drop ball by Morales. Dump ball. Dug. Padilla. Puts away. And scores a point. Padilla now on deck to serve. 6 serving 5. Good serve. And an ace for Padilla of Team Amulong. Amulung with a 2-point lead. 7 serving 5. Another good serve from Padilla and an ace. Back-to-back ace from Padilla. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Claveria. Our official standing score is 8-5 in favor of Team Amulung. Coming up next is the match to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus the team of Enrile. Is still on the women's division of our elimination round. Back to the ball game. Still serving for Team Amulung, Padilla. 8 serving 5. Chance ball for Team Amulung. 1-2 play. And an attack error by jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. Padilla still serving for Team Amulung. 9 serving 5. Dump ball is blocked. And a chance ball for Team Amulung. Padilla with the dig. Drop ball there. And that ball sails out for Team Amulung. Point for Team Claveria. Cruzado to serve for Team Claveria. Goes to the open. Joust. And won by Morales of Team Amulung. 10 serving 6. On deck to serve is Kanapi of Team Amulung. Good serve. Over ball. Drop ball. Rolling ball by Morales. And targeting zone 1 for jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. 7 serving 10. Good serve. And di na naitawid ang bola. A point for Team Claveria. 8 serving 10. Too much juice on that service. 3 point to Team Amulung. Morales to serve for Team Amulung. Good reception this time for Team Claveria. And a chance ball is given to Team Amulung. With the help of the net from jersey number 22 of Team Amulung. Still serving jersey number 2, Morales of Team Amulung. Still playable. A chance ball. And into the net. Attack error of jersey number 17 of Team Claveria leads to our first technical timeout of this match. Our official score is 13-6. in favor of Team Amulung. Our next game is to be played between the team of Tuguegarao City versus the team of Enrile, women's division of our elimination round. And we're back to the ball game. Still serving jersey number 2, Morales of Team Amulung. 13 serving 6. Goes to the open. Salvador with a net touch violation there. Substitution for Team Claveria. 17 out, 10 in. 14 serving 6. Salvador with a rolling ball dug by Canapi. Chance ball for Team Claveria. Middle. Canapi with the good up. Morales hitting back row with the help of the net. Still playable. Good huddle there by Salvador. Middle. Salvador again attacking. Block. And another block but still playable. A chance ball for Team Claveria. Middle. Canapi with a zig. Morales setting to her twin sister. 1-2 play. Salvador again attacking. Another good dig for Canapi. Long rally. And that ends the rally by an unforced error of jersey number 21 of Team Claveria. Our official score is 15 serving 6. (16 serving 8) is the official score. 26 with the reception. Jersey number 10 attacking. Chance ball for Team Amulung. Morales to attack. Chance ball by Salvador. 1-2 play, but goes out for Team Claveria. A point for Team Amulung. 17 serving 8. Still serving Morales. Jersey number 2 for Team Amulung. And an ace for Morales. Amulung now with a 10-point lead. 18 serving 8. It's inside for Morales. 19-8 is our official score. Salvador attacking. And gets a point on that check ball from Amulung. 9 serving 19. Morales receiving. Morales attacking. Dug by 26. Salvador. Good pick up there from the libero. Targeting zone 1. Long rally. Middle. Into the net by jersey number 10 of Team Claveria. Amulong now at 20. Claveria 9. Substitution from Claveria. 10 out, 17 in. 20 serving 9. Salvador targeting zone 1 is good for Salvador. Gets their 10 point of the first set. 10 serving 20. Galapia with a serve and a service error for Galapia. 21 serving 10. Good serve by Ava. Good dig by Ava. Padilla attacking. Salvador with a chance ball. Ava with a dig. Canapi attacking. And it's outside for Canapi. Substitution on the side of Team Amulong. 1 out, 8 in. And on deck to serve is Salvador of Team Claveria. 11 serving 21. Good up by Jaja. And through the block by jersey number 4, Canapi of Team Amulong. Jersey number 10 to serve for Team Amulong. 22 serving 11. Regalo, but capitalized by the Claveria Jaws. And too much push on that for Padilla. Agarpao to serve for Team Claveria. 12 serving 22. Middle. Cruzado attacking, dug by Canapi. And a chance ball for Team Claveria. Middle. Canapi with a cross-court shot is good for Team Amulong. Padilla now on deck to serve. 23 serving 12. Good serve and good up by Salvador. And a block. Point coming from Team Amulong. Leads them to their set point of the first set. 24 serving 12. And an ace for Padilla. Taking the first set is Team Amulong. 25-12. Announcing to you the next game for today's matchup is Tuguegarao City versus Team Enrile on the women's division of our elimination round. Chance ball for Team Claveria. And a drop ball by jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Amulung. Our official score is 11-6 in favor of Team Claveria. Amulung is just trailing 3 points against Team Claveria. And we're back to the ball game. Again, you're still witnessing the game between Team Amulung versus Team Claveria of our women's division. And still serving Salvador, 11 serving 8. Padilla with the help of the net is good for Padilla of Team Amulung. 7. Ava Morales to serve. 7 serving 11. Good up by Salvador. Cruzado attacking. Dig with Ava. Spike by chance ball for Team Amulung. 1-2 play is pick up. Padilla with the approach. And a chance ball again for Team Amulung. Padilla targeting Salvador. And didn't cross over. A point for Team Amulung. 8 serving 11. Still on deck to serve is Ava Morales. And a chance ball. Padilla again attacking, targeting Salvador. Chance ball by Cruzado. Padilla again attacking. Salvador again with a dig. Pick up by Ava. Jaja with the chance ball. And it sails out for jersey number 26. Point for Team Amulung. Ava Morales to serve. 9 serving 11. Good serve by Morales. And a chance ball for Team Amulung. Kanapi attacking. And too much juice on that spike by jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Claveria. Official score 11-10 in favor of Team Claveria. Ayan, sabi ni Ma'am Che Tolentino Morales, shout out daw po kay Kirby Florita Ricardo Mars, gusto na tabinggon ko na. Apo Kirby. Makiling bingo man dyan bakilatan. Ayan, and we would also like to shout out for Clark Johnson Bisanyatan and Ja Floria Vergara for tuning in on our Facebook Live. And we're back to the ball game, still serving Ava Morales of Team Amulung. 10 serving 11. Good serve. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Kanapi attacking. Drop ball. And another chance ball for Team Amulong. Padilla attacking. Targeting the libero. And a joust. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Kanapi. Salvador with the up. Ava to Jaja to the back row. Good dig by the libero. Kanapi sails that ball out for Team Amulong. Attack error from Kanapi. Serving 10. Agarpao with the service. Ava with the up. And an attack error again for Kanapi of Team Amulong. And the second technical timeout of this match. Amulong trailing 3 points against Team Claveria. Official score is 13-10. Ayan, shout out daw po. Sabi ni Kuya Balong, Raynon Padilla, who is watching, shout out daw po sa kanyang asawa, si Ma'am Malu Padilla. Ayan. And of course, our next game is to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus Team Enrile. Still on the women's division of our elimination round. Ayan, shout out ulit kay Cherry Pie Mateo Ea. Sabi ni Kent Diza, shout out daw po Marjorie Agarpao. And we're back to the ball game. Padilla attacking. And it's good for Padilla. Substitution on the side of Team Amulong. Estabilio out. Desunya in. Our official score is 11, serving 13. Desunya on deck to serve for Team Amulong. And a service error right away for Desunya. Free point to Team Claveria. Cruzado now to serve for Team Claveria. 14, serving 11. Desunya setting. Jaja with a chance ball. Dig by Salvador. Cross-court shot is good for jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. And a service error by Cruzado. Padilla now on deck to serve. 12, serving 15. Ayan, sabi ni Ma'am K. Shane Me, shout out kay Vico nasa line, laingem ag sireg kabsat kunana. Laingem kano tig sireg kabsat, Sir Vico. Nalay nga sumirig ata, ma'am. Dug by Kanapi. Desunya setting. Jaja with the chance ball. Good up by Ava. Kanapi. Agarpao setting. Galapia. Dug by Ava. 1-2 play for Desunya. Goes to the open. Running hit is good for jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. Official score is 16-12 in favor of Team Claveria. And a service ace. Back-to-back point for jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. 17 serving 12. Desunya setting it to Canapi, and it's good with the help of the net. (13) serving 17. Canapi to serve for Team Amulong. Good serve by Canapi. And a chance ball for Team Amulong. Canapi digging. Celoza attacking. And attack error for Celoza. Point for Team Claveria. Substitution for Team Amulong. 12 coming up for jersey number 9, Celoza. Desunya. Jaja through the block is good for Jaja Morales of Team Amulong. 14 serving 18. Good service. Dug there by the libero, and a chance ball for Salvador. Jaja attacking from the back. Dug by the libero. 1-2 play for Team Claveria, also with Team Amulong. Middle. And an attack error for Team Claveria. 15 serving 18. Still serving Jaja Morales of Team Amulong. And miscommunication on Agarpao and jersey number 21 of Team Claveria. And a timeout will be called on the side of Team Claveria. Our official score is 18-16 in favor of Team Claveria with the 2-point lead. Ayan, shout out po kay Earl Jorens Alejon. Also watching is Tita Cheryl Capili and also Giovanni Antolin. Ayan. Also si J. Torrado Martin. Pakita nyo kung sino kayo Amulong, sabi ni Riza Doka Pamitan. And we're back to the ball game. Still serving is Jaja Morales of Team Amulong. 16 serving 18. Salvador. Too wide for Salvador, and a point for Team Amulong. 17 serving 18. Salvador with the through the block point. 19 serving 17. Galapia with the service ace from Galapia of Team Claveria. 20 serving 17. Morales attacking. Salvador targeting zone 1. Almost a point. Canapi with a good up. And down the line hit by Ava Morales of Team Amulong. Miguel to serve for Team Amulong. 18 serving 20. Good serve. Salvador. Cruzado attacking. Canapi chasing the ball, and Desunya with the chance ball. Salvador to Agarpao. To Cruzado. Drop ball. Padilla. Desunya attacking. And a chance ball for Team Amulong. And with the help of the net, attack by Padilla. Miguel still on deck to serve. 19 serving 20. And a service error from Miguel. Back to 2-point lead of Team Claveria. Salvador now with the service on the service area. 21 serving 19. Padilla attacking. Still playable. Padilla to jersey number 26. Good up by Canapi. Padilla attacking. Cannot handle by Canapi. Point goes to Team Claveria, and a timeout will be called on the side of Team Amulong. Our official score is 22-19 in favor of Team Claveria. Ayan, go Ja, sabi ni Che Tolentino Morales. Pa-shout out daw po kay Shera May Salvador from Micaela Joyce Ganal. Happy viewing kay Neil Estaris. Ayan, next game po to be played between Team Tuguegarao City versus the team of Enrile. Women's division of our elimination round. Salvador serving. Canapi digging. Padilla to attack. Targeting zone 1 is good for Team Amulong. Padilla with that down the line attack. 20 serving 22. Ava Morales now to serve. Good service, targeting Salvador. Cruzado with the second ball. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Padilla attacking. Salvador cannot handle that spike coming from Padilla, and a 1-point lead for Team Claveria. 21 serving 22. Targeting the libero. Salvador with the second touch. Chance ball. Padilla attacking. Targeting Salvador. Canapi to Jaja with a good up. Chance ball by Cruzado. Desunya to Jaja. And too much juice on that hit by jersey number 26 of Team Claveria. We are now tied at 22. Still serving for Amulong is Morales Ava. Another good serve and an ace for Ava Morales. A turnover. Amulong now at their warning point. 23 serving 22. Can Claveria capitalize this run of Team Amulong? Let's see. Second ball by Salvador. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Salvador digging. Cruzado with the second touch. Goes to Padilla, targeting Salvador again. Dug by Jaja. Canapi with a good up, and Amulong now at match point. What a turnover for Team Amulong. Behind by 4 points. Now they are now at set. Match point. Morales still serving for match point. 24 serving 22. Good serve. Goes to the open. Chance ball. Jaja to Desunya. To Padilla. Still playable. And an attack error for Padilla. (23) serving 24. What a huddle there by Team Claveria. Padilla receiving. And Padilla again to attack. Still playable. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Can they close this set? Deflated. Kanapi. Good up by Ava. Chance ball for Team Amulong. Padilla. One, two play. Ava. 1-2 play. And Amulong wins the match against Team Claveria. 25-22. Congratulations, Team Amulong. Ayan, good game on the both teams. Team Amulong versus Team Claveria. Winner, Team Amulong. And the player of the game is none other than Ma'am Malu Padilla of Team Amulong. Congratulations.